Today we're unboxing the Inky Box, and I found this on Cratejoy, and it is basically a bunch of writing supplies. I know, big surprise, but this is the big box. They had an Inky Box Mini, and they had the Inky Box Regular, so I got the full-size box so we can see everything that they had to offer for the month. So let's check it out and see if it's worth it. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. So this box was $39.95 plus $3.99 for shipping. Now, had I opted for the mini was only $14.99, and I suspect $3.99 for shipping. No taxes were charged, and it shipped out on the first week of the month as long as you got your order in on Cratejoy by the last day of the month prior. It was shipped USPS, and it got here pretty quick. This box was super cute. It is a light green. I don't know if you can see that. And it says the Inky Box on one side. And over here it just has little stationary colors. And it says share your work on Instagram with Inky Box. And over here it has more stuff. My building put that sticker on there. And over here on the top, they have a little rectangle where they can put your name. I paid for this box with my boyfriend's credit card, so they put his name down even though the box was addressed to me, but that's okay. So let's check it out and see what's inside. Now the box came just like this. There was no other extra packaging outside of that. It says what's inside the Inky Box. So it gives you a little rundown of everything you got. And over on here, there are instructions for the perfect pearls, just like I thought there would be. And then over here, the Inky Box April. So this is the download for practice sheets. It sounds like they have some maybe letters that you can draw over, and a discount code for the lettering fern, which I don't know what the lettering fern is, but you could look that up. And then learn all of the art, free for 2 months. I don't know if you can, I can't read that. Watch online courses at your leisure on lettering, watercolor, line drawing, and more. Skillshare.com/r/the pigeon letters. So they're obviously using this space down here to advertise other businesses. And then buy some ish. I don't even know what that is. That must just be on their store on Etsy. Okay, so we have some packaging stuff. I'll take that out and put that to the side. And let's look at our list over here. So the 4 pens, so these must be our 4 real brush pens. And let's test them out. I don't usually use brush pens when I write, so I could be using them incorrectly. Those are cute. Probably not meant to be written on cardboard, so we'll take that out. So we got an orange, we got a pink, which I just wrote on myself, and we got a blue. Looks like a really dark navy blue, and then we have a green. So those are interesting. Next up, we have the Ecoline watercolor brush pens. So some more brush pens. So let's see how these look. We have perfect pens in perfect medium in pens. So I have actually never heard of pens. So dusting ink with perfect pearls, and embossing ink, watermark, resist ink. Oh, I see. So these are brush pens, one's a bullet pen, and I need these perfect pearls to work with it. So step 1, draw right with the medium pen. Apply any perfect pearl pigment over perfect medium with a dry brush. And that must be why we got a brush. So whisk off extra powder with a large brush. So let's go ahead and try that. So we have 2 perfect pearls, it looks like, green and a blush color. So we have cards in here. So let's go ahead and try to write on the back of one of these cards. And I don't know if you can see that. It's barely visible. I can definitely see it has kind of a shimmer to it. It's really pretty if you get it in the right light. So let's try it on a darker surface. So same thing, it's barely legible. It's still pretty. It looks like it makes like a very faint mark, so it might just be good for decorations, or maybe you can only use it on a black surface. So that was everything inside of there. So if you want to look at the actual cards that we got, it's a picture of some flowers, and it's a blank card. So these are the pigeon letters with the matching, looks like a recycled brown envelope. Same brown envelope over here, and this one says, "It's spring. I'm so excited. I wet my plants." That's cute. And this is from the lettering Fern, and this card was from Pigeon Letters. So it looks like they each contributed a card. They must be the same company. Let's check over here. It's pretty and it shines in the light if you hit it at just the right angle, just like the pink. But again, it is very hard to see, so I would see this more as an accent decoration rather than the actual letters that you would letter with. So overall, I think they had some really high quality pens, and you definitely got your money's worth because it's the same. I don't know that it was a great value savings, especially because the cards really weren't my style, although this one was kind of funny. And I loved these perfect pearls because I probably never would have tried them out on my own. But again, they are not for lettering. They're probably just for florals or something along the side. And the thing with pens too is, although these were high quality, these probably aren't the colors that I would use, which is always a challenge whenever you have a subscription box. So in general, I probably wouldn't order these again, but I did think it was still a great value, especially if you're just getting started with hand lettering and you're just wondering what to use and what to try out different brands. All right, leave a comment below if you hand letter or if you're thinking about it, and let me know if you liked having brushed pens and having the colors picked out for you, or if you'd rather just do it on your own. All right, I will see you guys next week. Bye.